We're going to the natty. Go Irish. And this right here is one of the coolest accessories for iPhone that you'll ever see. Now, I know this is just a case, but not really. This is an open case. This was a Kickstarter project from about a year and a half ago. And John, who is the inventor of OpenCase, used to be a reader of mine back when I was on TUAW, which is crazy. But anyway, I bought this Kickstarter a while back, and I bought it for one particular reason. Because it allows the best access to MagSafe out of anything out there. And the way the back is cut out, it makes all your accessories a perfect fit, which I'll show you in a second. So when the 16 Pro Max came out, the one thing I was hoping for is that they didn't change the form factor, so I'd already have my case. Well, that wasn't the case. And John said, I'm going to make 16 Pro Max cases as soon as possible. But he had kind of just got finished making 15s. So they started the reproduction process to make the new cases, and they ran into some delays, but they finally came out. And I got to tell you, OpenCase. I'm going to show you right now as I bust out my new one. And I did buy this. John sent me a note, which is cool. I'll go check this out. He did add stop dropping stuff. He did add a free filler plate, but I'll show you what these do in a second. So this is the OpenCase. I got it in black because I have the black Pro Max. But here's why I like it. It's so simple. First of all, easy to put on. Just pop it in. But because it leaves the whole back out, it leaves everything accessible. That means accessories like batteries just fit, but they don't come off. The reason why they don't come off, unless you're ready for them to come off, is there's a little lip right here because of the way the case is designed, and it stops things from sliding off. Because if you take the foam back out the case, which I'll show you, which is the reason why I had this one out of the case at first. Let me take it back out. When you stick a MagSafe device on here, now it just slides around because it's just flat surface against flat surface and nothing to bite it. Even if you put your phone in some other case, they're normally just smooth, flat surfaces, and it allows things to come off. And anybody who's watched me for more than 5 seconds knows I love things like the Moth Back, which allows you to basically turn your phone into a little tripod accessory. So this fits directly in, no problem. And then you can just kind of like peel this out. This is origami style, and it gives you like a little stand that you can use, right? So this comes out. If you are a fan of Apple Wallet, the leather wallet from Apple, it fits in there perfectly. Everything kind of just exactly fits. Most of you know I love my Plod. The Plod fits right there in the back. Now I did this is the original case. This one might be better, but on my 15 case, I had to take the ends off the back of the Plod thing and kind of bevel them a little bit so that they fit. But that wasn't John's problem. That was from Plod. But I still absolutely love it. But as a person who shoots content, where it really shines is things like my Rode that I use to hold my phone. If you want to hold it this way, it just fits right on. If I want to bust out my Keynote clip, it just works. So this thing is incredible, even for a MagSafe charging situation, like this little Anchor charger here. When I go to put it in standby mode right there on the desk, when I take it on my little hotel travels, or if you're charging it on the plane and you're doing something like that, it just works. It just works. It makes things stick to the phone better. Now, what these filler plates are, John gave us these because if you have some accessory that doesn't quite fit, or if you just want to cover it up because you want to go extra sleek one particular day, you don't need any accessories, you can use it to basically clog the hole. Or if you have a blank accessory that you want to put on your own, like say you have a very special mounting technique you want, which is good for, again, us content creator types, because you might have something that you want to put that just doesn't quite fit. That filler plate is the exact fit. Yeah, it's cool that they deliver these, because if you pop the filler plate in, it's cool, but it's rigid enough that I could modify this plate with something using my 3D printer or whatever. Now, they also have a bunch of accessories, like those who like the pop sockets. They have things like that. They have their own wallet case that's a little bit slimmer than the Apple one. but I just really love this case. I can't say enough about it because it is one of the most versatile. I wonder what John sent me in this envelope. Let me just check real quick in case this is so. It's just a thank you card. Thank you, John, for sending a thank you card. I just like that. You know what I mean? Like, you know, you're buying something from a person who created their own product. You know what I mean? So like, game recognized game, total respect. And he said, thank you again, because it's the second one that I bought. And just says, just appreciate me for being patient, because, you know, they did run into some manufacturing issues, which I ran into as I was doing my product this year. You know, there's kind of weird turmoils going on in the manufacturing space. But now my plot just fits and I'm ready to roll. So if you are a person who creates content and you have a MagSafe phone, 15 Pro Max or 16 Pro Max, go and check out OpenCase. I will put the link in the description down here in the bottom. And I just want to send a big shout out to my buddy John. And dude, keep continuing success. I just really appreciate it. Literally, seriously, one of the best things I've ever bought for my phone, because it allows me to just be super versatile. And you know what else? When you let the MagSafe charger thing touch directly to the phone, it actually charges better than cases that have like, I had a dummy case. I threw it away. Oh, when you have a phone like this is like a little case. They give you an extra magnet, but this doesn't make it, it messes with the charging speed. So if you like that fast charge, Qi charging, which you now have in the new phones, it also just gives you direct access to the charger, less chances of anything weird happening to your phone. So big shout out to OpenCase. Right about now, the algorithm is going to show you another video that I think you should watch. I agree with him.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, man.